Here's some more of that bullshit. Oh, he's shooting. He's pointing at him. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh!
What? Are you fucking kidding me?
I'm actually so done with this game. I'm actually so over it. It's so bad. I don't care. This is fucking ridiculous.
I'm sorry, man. What happened? He just ran off? He didn't pay? How much? I got it. I'll pay for him. I'll pay for him. How much? Oh, fine. I'll buy something from you. All right. Give me a bottle of water. What? Water? Do you take Apple Pay? Here you go, my man. I'm sorry that happened to you, man. It's kind of fucked up. Here. All right. I hope that doesn't happen again. Take care. What a fucking bitch. If I knew that he did that, I would have...
Eighth or better. Those red shells are gonna probably hit me. Maybe not. Big defense. Nice. Nice. Holy fuck! It's over. Yep. Cool.
B-side lost. Insani empty-handed. 27 frag haul. Breno's been doing everything he can for the boys, and he keeps going. Soda's safe. Are they doing it? Is there a way back in? Nico's gone. Only matches. I can't believe it. MIBR on the defuse, and we need another.
They were down. They were out. That's a 3v5 retake of the B-bomb site.
It's a...
Fucking kill yourself. I hate everything about myself.
Tried not to think about the fact that I was a 41-year-old man and just did my best to be present in the moment.
What the
I was playing the long game.
fuck am I
trust the
watching?
process.
What the fuck am I watching,
After all,
dude?
This did work on a dog.
Fuck.
I obviously...
This one's cool. You want to see the inside of a jacket? It's probably all covered up. It's covered up. Oops. Whoa.
You say one letter and...
How did...
Horses are crazy, man. First off, like, I'm not trying to be gross. It's just anatomy. The dicks are crazy big. Like, we were just standing there amongst the horses. Like, the horses were in pens. Kate elbowed me and went, take a look at that. And the horse penis was, like, pretty big. But while we were looking at it, it went like, it started like this, and then it went like, for like 30 seconds, it just kept growing. And then when it like reached its peak, I guess, he did the flex. He went and like smacked himself in the tummy with it. And I was like, that's crazy. Like animals are so fucking funny, man. Sorry, I'm just a woman. That's literally misogynistic. You're being a misogynist by saying women can't like sports, even if you are a woman. They're going to say it's not possible. It's possible. I'm a man. I'm often misandrist. All you have to do is turn on a podcast, and I'm like, damn, fuck my entire gender. Nobody cares, bro. Nobody cares about your morning routine, bitch. Make a joke. And then I meditate. We wake up. I like to face the sun. I like to meditate. It gets me it really puts me in a good headspace for my email job. Man, shut up and crack a joke, bitch. Penis was like pretty big, but while we were looking at it, it went like, it started like this, and then it went like, for like 30 seconds, it just kept growing. And then when it like reached its peak, I guess, he did the flex. He went and like smacked himself in the tummy with it. And I was like, that's crazy.
Where the fuck can I get an item? Can I? Are there any? In the next 10 years? No, it's over. Cool. All right. How did I unplug my capture cards?
It is a huge skill to get carried. Yes, you need to be in bed with the GM and letting him know, dude, my job is safe. Let's get the superstars to pick up the slack a bit.
Ow! Ow! Okay, you're cute. I'm sorry. I won't anymore. You can be free. It would just be a really cool Twitch clip if you would just, talk to the people, But if you don't want to, it's okay. I get it. Okay, goodbye, Bijou. What, all this and you don't even want to leave? You don't even want to go? Why were you yelling then? Why were you yelling? Why were you yelling? Huh? Oh, you're kidding. You're kidding me. Bijou. What, you're just gonna act like you weren't just meowing at the door?
You're actually tanking my rating right now. I'm getting you out of Diamond 4. Yeah, you are taking my shit.
Your rating?
Yeah, look at your numbers.
You to Diamond, motherfucker.
Look at your numbers you're putting up. Look at your fucking match history, and you tell me again with a straight face what you think is really going on here.
Things were fine until I started doing with you.
You're a callie only. You're a callie only. Get a callie. Play a callie anywhere. Do not play anything else. You are not allowed to play anything but a callie with me.
You gotta dodge if I don't get a callie then, motherfucker.
All you are allowed to play is a callie. Do not ever pick something besides a callie.
Alright, then you can only play Lucian. You fucking dodge if you don't get Lucian or
I'm
your
5-1 and I still fucking lose. Why? Because you're not on a callie.
Bro.
Now I'm spilling my fucking chips all over. I'm getting all pissed off, man.
Dude, don't call me back when you fucking demote to Emerald and need to carry back to Diamond. Don't you?
Listen, I won't talk to you once I outrank you, okay? You'll be like, oh, I wish I was still queuing with him. Oh, I wish
I saw your attempt at outranking me, motherfucker, and you lost.
I would outrank your ass right now.
Keep running. Fuck Burger Town. We gonna blow it up. We gonna blow New Jersey up.
Oh! Wait, what happened? That's a wreck! That's a wreck! No way! It's time to quit! It's time to pack it up, bro! That's 1K! This is the new phase. Yes!
Go, Elon! Go! Go! Go, please! Go faster, man! Go!
This is what victory
Go.
is like.
Thank you.
Yes! No!
My heart goes out to you.
Level 3.
Bro, it's no way I'm doing that shit again. Bro, they know who I was as well, man. Fuck that shit. It's just fucking dog. Premier's dog. We're gonna lose so many new players because it's just cheaters, bro. If I get into a new game, let's say I go to, I don't know, PUBG, Valorant, COD, whatever, man, and I just face cheater after cheater after cheater after cheater, man. What's the point? What's the freaking point? Whatever, man. Valve, do something, man. Fucking do something.